In 2010, the Arsenal Middle School in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, developed a project to produce a hip-hop video. The result was No Rumors. In 2011, the music class produced a new hip-hop video titled Testin'.
Favorite subject, math. Y'all don't get it, do ya? Typing numbers, everybody acting like they do it. Go upstairs to Mr. James' class. Them nerdy boys love it like a powder donut. Tell Peggy Sue, come and help me out too. She working hard, solving problems, there ain't much to do. Break game, got a problem with the chess game.
In 2013, a new class chose the theme Real Life.
It's a real world. A lot of people being sick. It's an ill world. Watch what you do.
The purpose of this video is to provide an outline for teachers and students on how to produce a hip-hop video. A critical element in developing a hip-hop program is the support of the principal or music supervisor. When the new principal of Arsenal, Patty Camper, came to the school in 2010, they had not had any art or music classes for 7 years.
You know we've been doing hip-hop, obviously. You've been helping us a lot. And how do you see that kind of fitting into the picture?
It really fits into the picture in urban education because it's very culturally relevant for our students. And not just for urban students. I think the majority of teenagers at this point listen to some form of hip-hop. And so it helps them to see that, you know, hip-hop's included in music. It can be part of a curriculum. It can be a positive way to express yourself. It doesn't just have to be something that you listen to on the radio and sing along.
I've been very impressed with the way your kids have jumped into the creative part of it and the performing part.
They're excited about it, and it's amazing what they've produced. You know, I do listen to some amount of hip-hop, and a lot of it you have to close your ears because of the, you know, the general tone of it. And our students have produced such positive lyrics that it's amazing what they've been able to accomplish.
I love the one verse where the girl said, "I like math." You don't get that, but I like math, you know. And I thought that was really neat.
It is helpful but not necessary to have access to an experienced hip-hop artist.
Somebody find a countdown for me?
For the Arsenal projects, Sharon Don, an elementary education major at the University of Pittsburgh and a hip-hop artist, met weekly with the students, guiding them through the process from the selection of a beat to the final performance.
All up energy in what you're saying, and I think you should drag out the words. I be testing. I go by Sharon Don. I'm a hip hop artist, and I've been coming here for a few years and working with the students and basically developing them in the art of hip hop as far as writing, performing, recording. I look at recording as performance because to create a good recording, you have to perform it and not just say it or speak it, but actually perform it. But I want to get to know you guys. You know, you'll find out more about me as time goes. I basically work with a program that comes to different schools and get to know why this might be important to you guys. I mean, Ms. Camper told me about the crump.
Greetings. I am Sharon Don, hip-hop MC and lover of the hip-hop culture. I'm here to walk you through the 8 steps of creating a hip-hop song. This process is as fun as it is easy to execute for just about any middle school. The only necessity for a successful music session is A, a teacher, B, students, and C, either live instruments and/or access to the internet. The internet is full of music production programs and where students can log on and sort through an assortment of music styles from different producers all around the world. You can search beats by genre at sites like youtube.com, shadowville.com, beatsbulletin.com, soundclick.com, musicbeats.net, etc. The very first step in the creative process is to set goals and make them clear to the students. This is to give direction and overall objective of the project. This could also be a good time to have students identify which talents they would like to share, and based on an overall count of students, have them break into equal-sized groups by similar talents. Examples: group of singers, group of rappers, dancers, etc. The second step is where we decide on a theme. Having the students raise their hand and give suggestions is a great way to see what's relevant and most important to the student. Remember, this song is a reflection of the students, and we teachers are here to direct and keep everything organized. Let the students create. You can document suggestions on a tablet or a chalkboard. Once there are enough suggestions, you can use process of elimination to choose one. Or if working with a bigger size class, can even create more than one song. The third step is the selection of the beat. Once again, having the input of students is fundamental. Help them to stick to a beat which reflects the topic or the theme chosen, and bring focus to those who want to work on the chorus. Feel free to download instrumental beat onto a flash drive. Fourth step is writing a chorus, also known as a hook. Writing a hook usually works best with all students trying to find a catchy phrase or melody that successfully carries out the theme throughout the song. Depending on style of song, the hook can be rapped or sung. The creation of the hook in itself will inspire the fifth step of the process, which is the writing of verses. Many times students get writer's block and do not know what to say or how to start writing. The best procedure for those facing this issue is to have them write out their ideas and feelings concerning the theme of the song. This can start out as a paragraph or in poem form, and at a later time can be worked into a rhyme scheme. Through consistent listening sessions of instrumental beat, the student will begin to structure his or her ideas in words, creating an original piece of work. The decision and selection of order of song, personal delivery of lyrics, and timing should all be known and executed well. At this point, students are to rehearse the finished hip-hop song. If there are dancers, rehearse their parts and integrate their dancing into the song. The decision and selection of order of song, personal delivery of lyrics, and timing should all be known and executed well. This is the step where both student and teacher give their most critical input, because this is the final rehearsal before the big show. Encourage the students to be unique in their approach by being honest in what they say and how they're saying it. Now, for the last and final step, we will perform and record their original creation, which will provide a sense of accomplishment and memorable experience.
Testing, all about my studies. Look at all these teachers. This is why they love me. Want you know I rep that. Oh, you think it's funny? You just acting hard. You don't really want it. I be testing, all about my studies. Look at all these teachers. This is why they love me. Want you know I rep that. Oh, you think it's funny? You just acting hard. You don't really want it.